Okay, in this video, we're going to reconcile a commission statement that we received from an agency that we work for. And you can see I'm in a producer view and I'm on the reconciliation page. And if you have a PDF, then you can go ahead and convert it to an Excel file or CSV by clicking this link. It's very easy. Just follow the link and then it'll prompt you what to do. Once you have that done, then what you want to do is go ahead and take the commission statement and drag it over to this screen, upload it right here to this bubble, and then this is a map, your statement columns to the app pop-up window. Statement date is September 30th, 2025. That's good. And then some of these columns from the statement are already matching correctly. Line of business is good. Transaction, let's put that column in there. And then rate for commission rate, agency, gross, we're going to put none for that. Effective date, none of these apply. Let me show you exactly what we're mapping from. Over here, this is my Excel spreadsheet. This is what I converted to Excel from a PDF that I got from the agency I work for. These are all the column titles on the commission statement, and you can see like carrier has bill as the column title. It's odd, I'm just going with it. And that can essentially show you here for the carrier name itself. Let's click on this and let's click bill. And that way that pulls in all the data from this column and it puts it under the carrier inside the app. That's essentially what we're doing. We're pulling all the data here from the Excel spreadsheet and we're mapping it to all the fields that are inside the app. All right, so now we're going to click apply and load, and we're going to slide over here and we're going to make sure we're at the top of the screen. Right here, we're going to find a match for Alex Partners, and there is the customer's name search. Okay, so here's a reinstatement. Shows 0 commission, which is correct because it's just a reinstatement. It's a transaction that happened in the policy, but there's no commission as a result of the reinstatement. That basically probably means they reinstated within the time frame before obviously the policy lapses too far to where it's got to be rewritten. When it's reinstated, there's no extra commissions coming out of that policy. All right, so then on the next one, let's go ahead and see if we can find, or let's go ahead and click match on that one. Now we've clicked match, and then let's go find match on this one over here. Now this is the same exact transaction as this one up here. Obviously that doesn't apply. We're going to go ahead and click on create a transaction because we only have this one transaction in our database. We don't need to bother trying to match other customers with their transactions since we only have one customer and one transaction in our database just for illustration purposes. So that way you can see how to reconcile a statement. We're going to tell the computer to create all the transactions that we have on our commission statement. I've checked all those boxes and we have matched this one up here. Now let's just see if we are matching our balance. It is out of balance by $95.83. Let's see why that is. Our statement total, $1,472. Let's just double check. And it does say $1,472, so those amounts are fine. And then also, we have a difference of $95.83. Let me just scroll down and make sure I clicked on create. Oh, here we go. We got 2 more transactions that we need to create. And look at that. Well, now everything is lined up and it all matches exactly. Now I can go ahead and reconcile my commission statement, and everything I clicked on below, it's going to create all those transactions for me. And obviously you can click undo if you needed to change one of those. Otherwise, this looks good to go. Now let's go ahead and click on reconcile. Am I sure? Yes. Okay. Now it has reconciled, and now we just go over here to reconciled statements. And you can see that that statement is showing up over here. And that is how simple it is to reconcile a statement. And all those transactions that you said create are going to show up inside the policy transactions page. And that's how you reconcile a commission statement.